What's up, everybody? We are Don and Ashley, and this is season 2 of No Plans As Travel. And we're starting out in the beautiful hidden gem of Saint Petersburg, Florida. Come hang out with us.
So we decided to stay at the Hollander, which is a boutique hotel located in the heart of downtown Saint Petersburg, Florida. There we were just a short stroll away from Beach Drive and some of St. Pete's hottest attractions, including famous museums, restaurants, nightlife, and more. The hotel was recently renovated and featured clean and trendy rooms with complimentary on-site parking, high-speed Wi-Fi, and free waters, which I can say lately I have not seen at any other hotel. And to boot, there are never any resort fees. You can enjoy the convenience of on-site dining at the Tap Room Bar and Grill, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner 7 days a week. The Tap Room offers indoor and outdoor dining, and it's a new American cuisine with 21 craft beers on tap and specialty cocktails. The Hollander is also home to Common Grounds, a delicious coffee shop and pastry bar, and the Harmony Eco Spa, an all-natural day spa. Now here's a little tour of our room. We decided to go with the suite with 1 king bed. Now since we decided to come during spring break, this room ran about $215. But if you come during off-season, you can get this same room for around $155.
The weather was perfect, so we decided to get our steps in and check out downtown St. Pete, along with great places to eat, from steakhouses to seafood. We have theaters, we have concert arenas, and a bunch of museums. Doesn't matter if you're a first-time visitor or if you're one of the locals. You can't be in St. Pete and not come down to the pier. To our knowledge, this is one of the city's newest attractions, and it's 26 acres with views of Tampa Bay and downtown St. Pete. We could not get enough of this area. To be honest, what was there not to do? You have parks, you have places you can walk, you can bike, you can dine, you can drink, you can shop, or you can even swim. But not right here though. The water seems a little choppy for our liking. They also host concerts down here throughout the year that you can enjoy. So when you're in St. Pete, make sure you take a day to come down and enjoy the pier. It's definitely going to be the highlight of your stay. The next morning, we decided to take a drive down to the beach. Now, if you're coming in from the city, you do have to pay a small toll fee. I believe it was $1. On our way down, we passed by the Don Cesar Hotel, which has become a landmark down here dating back to 1928. Now here we are at St. Pete's Beach, also known as a resort city set on the island. Now besides the beautiful white sand and the warm blue water, there are plenty of shops down here, you have galleries to check out, and a lot of museums to explore. Now if you want to enjoy the views of the ocean, there are nearby boats that are part of Shell Kelly. And don't be surprised if you see a couple of dolphins while you're out there. And after hanging out on the beach for a while, it was time to eat. And let me tell you, this place Snappers did not disappoint. They specialize in fresh court seafood straight from the Gulf. Later on the night, I decided to come down and check out the pool area. And I must say it was a vibe. You had the music going, had the lights glowing from the pool, but everyone was hanging out at the bar. So I guess that explains why no one was taking a swim. The next morning we enjoyed breakfast at the tap room, which was voted the best breakfast in St. Pete. Today was Ashley's birthday, and we celebrated at the one and only TEAK. Located on the 4th floor, this is a very classy upscale place, so come dressed to impress. Fellas, get your grown man on. And ladies, I already know what to do. I don't have to tell you anything. So of course we had to get the window seat. From here you'll enjoy 180-degree views of the St. Pete skyline in Tampa Bay. So besides all the aesthetics, the food was phenomenal, impeccable service, and they had some pretty cool choices for cocktails. And this was totally unexpected. At the end of our meal, it was a nice surprise for the birthday girl.
Plates and spoons for everyone. Everybody's got to make a birthday wish, right? Candle is 100% necessary. Can't make that wish without it, right? All right. Oh, and the pinky.
We decided to hang out a little bit longer and check out the lounge area on the upper deck. A pretty cool area. It has a bar, fire pits, TVs. It was a little windy that day, so that's why there wasn't much people out. Now it's only right I give all of you fair warning. From TEAK down to the entrance of the pier, it's a pretty long walk, but they do have shuttles that are always available. And as you can see, when the opportunity presented itself, we took full advantage.
So here we have the Fairgrounds, which is an indoor, explorable world of playful, immersive exhibits, featuring works by acclaimed artists from Florida and around the globe. Located just 5 minutes from downtown St. Pete and Tropicana Field, in the heart of the Warehouse Arts District along the Pinellas Bike Trail. Also, they have parking conveniently located directly across the street. It's a small lot, so if you plan on coming, get there early. They are open 5 days a week with closures on Tuesday and Wednesdays. Fairgrounds St. Pete is a great place to bring friends and family. Now this is not your traditional museum. It's an immersive art museum ready to plunge you into a whimsical world of artistic wonder and mystery. The 15,000 square foot warehouse in St. Pete's Art District is a celebration of how weird, wacky, and wonderful Florida can be. Leave reality at the door, friends, and let this immersive artistic experience be your escape from the real-life wacky world we live in today. And here's the cool part. What and how you experience in this exhibit during your visit is totally up to you. Featuring 71 local and international artists, use a combination of soundscapes, scents, innovations, and cutting-edge aspects to create this one-of-a-kind artist-made world. I must say, it's easy to lose yourself in this place. It's a choose-your-own adventure, with the layers of quests, mysteries, and scavenger hunts people can opt into if they like, said by co-founder Olivia Manson, or they can simply enjoy all of the art, escape reality, and immerse themselves and photograph themselves in beautiful places. So if you're in the St. Pete's area, be sure to add this place to your itinerary and support all the artists. It runs you around $27 a person, $25 with military police discount. here we have Dirty Laundry. It might look like an ordinary laundromat with coffee and pastries available, but just under the glowing Talk Dirty to Me sign is an old payphone. You just pick up the phone and the person on the other end will give you a code. You must then type that code in the phone, and then they'll tell you which washing machine to lift to enter in the world of dirty laundry.
Thank you.
Welcome to Dirty Laundry. So nice.
Once again, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, we have a lot in store for season 2. Until next time, take care, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.